Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Minecraft launcher will not open up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I imagine this would definitely be a frustrating issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu. And you want to type in %, app data, %. Best match should come back with a file folder with that name. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the .minecraft folder in here, and then there should be a .josn file, a launcher underscore profiles JSON. You want to go ahead and right click on it, and you want to select the trash can icon to delete. You can tap the delete key on your keyboard as well. If you prefer to do that way, that's fine. And then you would restart your computer and then attempt to launch Minecraft and see if that has resolved the problem with the launcher. Something else we can try here as well, if we open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to expand the display adapter section by double clicking on it. And then double click on the display adapter listed under here. Select the driver tab and then select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific driver unless you only have a basic display adapter, which in that case you have to select that one and then select next. And then once you're done, go ahead and close out of here and you will have to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward tutorial for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.